Ready to transform your Wix website from basic to brilliant by showcasing your amazing projects. First, from your Wix editor, look for the Add Apps icon on the left-hand side panel. It typically looks like a plus symbol, and click it. This opens the Wix App Market, where you can search for Wix Portfolio in the search bar at the top. Once you find the Wix Portfolio app, it's usually the first result. Click the Add to Site button. This will install the Portfolio app onto your website. Now you will see a default portfolio gallery on your page, and a window should pop up allowing you to manage your projects. If you don't see it, click on the gallery and then select Manage Projects. In the Manage Projects window, you can add new projects by clicking the Add Project button. You can also edit existing projects by clicking on them. For each project, you can add a title, a detailed description of your work, stunning images or videos that showcase the project, and even a link to the live project or a case study. Be sure to add high quality and relevant images. Back in the Wix editor, click on the portfolio gallery itself, and then click Settings. Here you can customize the layout, the style, and the display options to perfectly match your brand. Experiment with different layouts like grid, masonry, or slider to find the one that best highlights your projects. You can also adjust the colors, fonts, and spacing to create a cohesive look. Finally, preview and then publish your website to showcase your stunning portfolio to the world. A well-crafted portfolio is an amazing way to boost your professional brand and attract new clients or employers.